What is going on, guys? Long time no see. Coming to you with another video here. We're going to be working on the Jeep, and I guess we'll just get right into it. All right, after a little bit of that footage, it makes me dream of summer, but it's only still February. Let's get into it. So, if you've watched some other videos on the channel, you will know that on my Ford F-150, I had this 50-inch LED light bar mounted onto a sport bar, also known as a chase rack, on the back of the truck. Now, here's the deal. Took my truck to get inspected, and anybody who may be watching in Pennsylvania or knows anything about Pennsylvania, the state inspection laws pretty much suck. And so basically what they nailed me on was I do not have the upfitter switches for the light bar. And they said, well, you have no way of knowing if your light bar is turned on or off. You have to have a lighted switch, and it has to, obviously I do have the cover for it, so it has to stay covered anytime that you're on the road. So they got really uppity about it, and I was like, you know what, I'll just take it off. So I took it off the truck, and then I thought, I'll just put it on the Jeep. It's cool, we can do that. So in order to put it on the Jeep, I had to order the light bar brackets. Now I chose to go with Rough Country. I can't say for sure why. I guess it was the first one I found when I did a search on Quadratech, and it's part number 70508. And let's take a look here. I have not gone through this yet. I just opened the box prior to starting the video. Rubber gasket type thing. All right, so this will be the driver's side. Not bad. It's powder coated. It looks pretty good. I don't see any major blemishes. Just keep going here. All right, so they sent new bolts. They must be longer. That would be my guess. Another gasket. Instructions. We don't need instructions. Oh, it almost went in the trash can. All right, let's do this. Try to make this video short. I know you guys don't like to watch a lot of junk. So it really is as simple as this. You only have to remove the front two here. So this is a T40 Torx bit, and these should come out pretty easy. It was only a year ago, I believe, that I put the windshield frame in. Oh yeah, come right out. And we'll fast forward this. All right, the gaskets are really easy to install. Just make sure you got the right side. It's gonna go in there, and then it's gonna fold and lay down in here as well. So you just get an idea how it's supposed to look, and then you take the paper backing off. Make sure that this is good, clean, and put it on there. This is not an exact science, just line up the holes. And then roll it down into that corner. All right, not bad. You do the same for the other side. Okay, so to mount it, it's a 3/16 hex key, a bolt with washer, 2 of them. So again, this can't be any easier of an install. All you gotta do is line it up. Sorry if my head's in the way. Okay, so in the inside of the windshield frame, there's a small plate that these bolts go into. So basically, I just had to look at it to get it lined up again, and it is fine. So now you just simply tighten them. Can't be any easier than this. And you don't want these tightened all the way, because you still want to have some adjustment until you get your bar in. But you do want them to be tightened a little bit. That looks like, nope, that one didn't hit yet. The bottom one is just fine. That one's going in nicely. It's this top one here. But anyway, so you get it in, you get it somewhat loose. As soon as I finish the other side, we'll catch back up. Okay, both sides are loosely mounted. Again, you want to leave some play in it for getting your light bar in. You can see over there to the other side. Really simple, very easy. Again, the only difficulty I had was that little plate inside the windshield frame that moved around. Passenger side went on really easy, no issues at all. And again, that driver's side, I just had that little bit with that plate. So the next part, it's always best to have 2 people do this to actually get the light on. But I think I'll be just fine. I did it myself when I did my truck, and I didn't have any issues. I don't know. I'll either risk it or I won't, but we'll find out here. All right, there it is. Probably one of the easiest modifications I've done to this Jeep yet. The wiring's not done yet. It's something I'll have to look at. I forgot that the wiring came out on the driver's side. So I may loosen this bracket back up and try to run the wires down along this bracket, and then see if I can maybe drill a hole through and put a rubber grommet in. Maybe, I don't know. These windshield frames on Jeeps are notorious for rotting out because they leak water in the inside of them, and then they rot out down here at the bottom. But this Jeep doesn't really sit out very much. I don't know. It's just something I'll have to look at, you know, as far as how I want to run the wire, where I want to run the wire, and all that. But I like it. It was really easy. I can still get my soft top on and off, as well as the bikini top when next month hits, because in March I always take the top off for the summer, even though it's only March. So yeah, okay. Done deal. Again, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I just wanted to do one quick, and yeah, so that's a wrap on this project. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya, bye.